The way I would describe the EA program would be fun and educational. Before I came here, I didn't know like a lot of things I know now, and it's been a good experience because I know things that I didn't think I knew before.
It gets you ready for your college career and like your high school career, and like how to save money. I've learned about budget, the difference between credit and debit cards, how to use them.
In the EA program, I learned about civic engagement, how people come together to make something happen and make a difference. What we learned was that there's 3 branches of government: legislative, executive, and judicial. They each have like a certain role. Today we were learning about how can we help Boston, and we were talking about the budget for Boston is $2.6 billion.
We were taught in the other lesson how to budget our money because we have so many different expenses. The same thing can be applied to this, where they have different expenses to pay for throughout the whole city.
Civic engagement is about being involved. My group came up with helping out the homeless people and provide them with homes.
I'm looking forward to meeting a lawmaker because I want to know like what is the process, like what they do and how they get their job. What were the struggles that he had to go through to become what he wanted to do.
I love my job because every day I wake up and I have one goal, and that's helping people in this community and helping improve things in this community.
The things that I am learning now in this program, I will be able to use in the future.
It can help me in the future. Every person, everybody has a voice, and everybody can make a difference.